Hey guys, this is Michael from digitalreg.net. We got the chance to try out the recently launched DJI Flip, which has the same features of the DJI Neo but with much better specs. You can use it as your personal videographer since you can control it directly without needing a controller or mobile phone. However, you still have the option to control it via its mobile app or remote control. It has a better camera with a 1 to 1.3-inch sensor. You can fly it much higher, up to 500 meters, and its flight time is around 31 minutes, which is significantly longer than the DJI Neo's 18 minutes. For a detailed review of the DJI Flip, visit our website at www.digitalreg.net or also link in the description down below, so better check it out. While you're there, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. I've also put together a short video montage of the footage we captured of the DJI Flip. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about the video capabilities of the DJI Flip? Now, let's jump into the montage.